Lethbridge College alumni are a special group of people making waves across the world. Here are some of their stories.
The education that I've had from Lethbridge College has enabled me to make my dreams a reality. With the knowledge that I've learned over the years, I can build anything. We're a custom metal fabricator in Taber, Alberta.
I work for BluEarth Renewables. We are an owner and operator for different utility facilities. When I arrived at the top of the first turbine that I ever climbed, it was phenomenal. It was a breathtaking experience. I still get that thrill every single time I climb.
I took business administration, so that gave me a lot of real-world practical skills that I could use and put towards creating the business plan for Tranquility Float Center. The float tank environment creates a very stress-free environment and promotes deep relaxation. The best part about owning my own business is the freedom that it gives me.
So I work at Arches, which is a harm reduction agency in the city of Lethbridge. I'm the cultural program coordinator, and so I created a program called Genussen, which is Everyone Comes Together. I kind of got really interested in that, in traditional ways of healing. So I was like, well, we need to do something different and help people on their healing journey, whatever that means to them.
I work at 94.1 CJOC and I host the morning show. I graduated from Lethbridge College in 2005 and I took the broadcast journalism program. I've got a passion for music, I love listening to it, and I love just going on the radio and talking and sharing stories and connecting with the listeners.
The guys you went to school with become your best friends. The vast majority of my casual people that I've brought on have actually been journeymen from Lethbridge College.
We like to hire students, so I find Lethbridge College alumni are very hardworking, very dedicated, and passionate people.
Lethbridge College also gave me the ability to problem solve, which was very effective going into my early stages of my career where everything was brand new and exciting.
I think a lot of it from child and youth care really teaches you about that therapeutic relationship and rapport building, and if I didn't have that, there's no way I'd be where I'm at today.
I realized that there's a lot of different broadcast programs in Western Canada, but when we started going to work at radio stations and you started finding out that other people came from other programs, you found out how much the college taught you.
I see the Lethbridge College as something that has helped me gain experience and the expertise that I needed to open this.
Having graduated 6 years ago, I am happy and extremely proud to say that I have surpassed my own career goals that I've set for myself.
So I'm 6 years after my diploma and I'm standing in my very own business here, Tranquility Float Center.
This is exactly where I'm meant to be. If we can impact one person, then that's success.
I mean, I've been in radio now for 13 years and I don't think I'd still be in radio, and I don't think I would have had the success I've had in radio if not for my time at Lethbridge College.
Almost 40,000 Lethbridge College alumni worldwide are leading and transforming their industries and communities. Share your story with us at lethbridgecollege.ca/alumni.